Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I love to craft. Today we are going to be making some patch hats. I've been seeing them all over Pinterest, and I'm going to make one for me and then one for my sister. So let's go ahead and get started on today's video. Let's take a look at all of the patches that we have here. So here's a close-up view. We have Stay True, Groovy, Be Kind, Nope, Good Vibes, blah blah blah. And then we have some bows, and here they are up close as well. Then we have some Coastal Cowgirl. I think I'm most excited for this one because it has like the beach theme in it and it has the bow. And if you're a mom, you're probably going to be called Bra sometime in your life, so this one is going to be perfect for me. We have that flower. We love the Auburn tigers here, so we got a tiger. And then we have just a basic check black heart. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the hats as well. So I got just a plain tan one, and then I got her this black checkered one. This is like really her style right now, and I thought that it would be really cute for her. All right, let's take a look. It says that it's a sticker patch, so I'm wondering if we need to use any sort of heat on here. I don't see any instructions on the back of either of these, so I'm assuming that they are just stickers. Let's go ahead and take some out of the packaging. I know for sure that she's going to have the Auburn tigers and the black heart, and that's really her vibe. I'm more of like the girly, basic, so I'm thinking some of these. I might add in some color to hers as well, just to sort of brighten it up. So let's go ahead and start unpackaging these. Let's work on hers first. So it comes on just this clear sheet, and ooh yeah, that is very sticky. So let's just take a look. We can also cut the tag off as well. I do want to mock it up just a bit. Maybe put that on the side. I think I'm going to put Good Vibes directly in the middle. So like that. And just press it down. And then we can put, let's see, this cute black heart kind of off to the side. And then let's put the tiger. Let's see, he needs to be trimmed down a little bit. Okay, looks like they can be peeled up, but I don't really want to do that because then it loses the stickiness to it. So we can put this one on the side as well. And I did want to bring in some sort of color, so I'm thinking we should just add the blue heart on there as well. I'm thinking maybe this one. Maybe put it kind of on top of the other one like that. Ooh, that's cute. Okay, so that is looking really nice. I want to bring in more color. I should have picked up some more. Let's see. I think I'm gonna add a bow to hers. She might not like it, but she could always peel it off. Let's add in purple. Maybe kind of layer it. Layer it kind of like that. Maybe more like that. Let's add on another patch. So I'm thinking, nope. That's cute, and it's so her. Let's do it maybe right there. All right, and I think that that is all that we are going to add for her hat. I'm actually really excited for these. And going forward, she can always pick up more patches at Hobby Lobby, the ones that she actually likes, but for now, I think that this is it. All right, now let's take a look at my hat. Cut that tag off, and these are sublimation hats, and they were $1.99. These are the patches that we have, and for the middle, I'm definitely going to go with Bruh, formerly known as Mom. We're just going to peel it up like that. And for this one, I'm not going to go, I really thought about just putting it in the middle, but I actually like it off to the side. I don't know. We'll just put it in the middle. Actually, nope. We're gonna put it on the side. So we're gonna press that one down really nice. And then we can do the daisy. And we can put it kind of over here. That's cute. And then, let's see. I want to add a seashell. Let's put this one down here. And then I definitely want a bow, but I want it to be pink. Put that one about right there. I recently started using the OPI or OPI nail polish, and I'm not really liking it because it constantly chips, so I'm definitely going to go back to my gel polish, which I've missed so much. But okay, let's take a look. What else do we want to add? I think we want to do maybe the Coastal Cowgirl. We could put it like right above that one. So this is what it's looking like so far. I definitely want to add something right here. And I'm thinking that we should do, maybe we should add in a black. Maybe Be Kind. Or is this going to completely throw it off? I don't know how I feel about that. That feels very dark. Let's do, let's see, that's all the patches that we have for today. We can do this one right here. It says howdy, howdy, howdy. And we'll put it in the middle, well, between those two. Bunch left over, which is nice. I think I actually want to add a little bit more to hers, and I was thinking that I should do the seashell because we love going to the beach together. Alright, and here's how our hats turned out today. These hats were $1.99 each in the sublimation blanks section over at Hobby Lobby. And then the patches, the big sheets were $7.49 minus 40% off. And then the smaller individual ones were $1.99 minus 40% off. And of course we had a good bit left. But these are the final looks. I'm so excited to give her hat to her today. But I will definitely be sporting mine this weekend. I'm so excited. I've actually been wanting to make one of these hats for quite some time because I've seen them all over Pinterest, but I hope that I've inspired you to have a little girls' night, make some trucker hats, or if you have like a daughter, this would definitely be like a mom and a mini kind of deal, and this is just a great way to spend time with others. So I hope that I've inspired you, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video just as much as I did, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!